In this video, we're going to look at conditional if statements that you will usually use when updating your CRM or doing any other analysis within a product or growth or marketing team. So to give an example, we're looking in our subscription database and we want to calculate how many months a subscription has been active. So to do that, we look at the creation date of the subscription as well as whether it has been cancelled or not, and subtract those two dates. So the first if function that we want to know is whether a plan is cancelled or not. So equals if the cell F2 is empty, then we know it's not cancelled. So then we want to compare with the today dates. So then we do today, parenthesis, minus the creation date. So this gives us the number of days between today and the creation date. If it's however cancelled, we want to compare with the cancel date and the creation date. So this gives us the number of days that the plan is active, but we're looking for the number of months. So to do that, we can just divide this by 365 divided by 12. So that gives us 28,4 months. And we want to round this up to go to whole months. So round up to 29 months. To do the same for months, we kind of want to freeze these cells first. So we want to freeze the column F and column E. You can do that hitting the F4 button on your keyboard. And then just make sure that there's a $sign in front of the letter. So if we then copy paste this to the other point, we'll get the same number, but we don't want to divide by 12. We want to divide by 1. So 3 is active. Okay, and then if we copy paste this all the way down, we now know how many months our different plans have been active, which is quite handy to know for different lifetime value calculations. So this is how an if function works. If something happens, then something else can happen. So you can just fully customize this. If you have any questions on how it actually works or any questions on this particular exercise, then just let me know. Happy to help you out and give you some more examples on how you can use this. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.